Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, I have all the stuff I'm going to be bringing to Egypt. I'm also going for a wedding, so there's a few things that I would maybe recommend that you wouldn't bring. Like I have 3 pairs of shoes just because I needed a fancy pair that I would be wearing to the wedding for a formal event. And an extra skirt and things like that, but I guess you'll see from when I actually show the stuff. Let's get into it. I don't think I mentioned what kind of bag I'm bringing, but this is just a Gregory 50 liter, in case you were wondering. So these are my electronics, or my electronic related things. We'll start with this. This is just my lens for the camera I'm using right now. The Manfrotto little mini tripod. This is actually really good, like would recommend you get this. And a selfie stick, because of course you've got to take your selfies. The charger for the camera. This is an amazing adapter I just got from Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada. This is just my chargers all in here, my, what are they called? Headphones, stuff for the camera, as well as a portable battery charger, which is really good. I just got this in Peru as well. It is supposed to be for your water bottle, but I find that it works really well for this, so I can just have this on my waist if I'm wanting to like have it handy. And then last but not least, this is the big one, the big tripod. Yeah, I thought I should at least bring it for this one since there's so many things. So I was just wanting to show how I packed this all up. I'll just put this in my backpack alone because I don't know, it doesn't need to be protected from rain or whatever. And I have the rest of my stuff that I won't be using every day in a plastic bag just in case it does rain or drops in the Nile or something. And then this is a purse that I picked up in Mexico, and I kind of like it because it makes it look like I don't have a lot of money, but it fits my phone and my big camera and everything else I'll need for the day, and yeah, it's just good time. Okay, now that I have my tripod back, let's get into the clothes. So I have 1 pair of long shorts. I might pick up another pair there, I'm not sure, but they're just like a loose pair of really light jean material that go all the way to the ankle because that's important. I heard that it's more important that your legs are covered completely more than your arms, so I am taking that into consideration. That being said, I did decide to bring these knee-length shorts with me just in case I do have like a time to go to the beach or whatever. I wouldn't recommend wearing these in the cities or anything, but yeah, just in case. I also have this ankle-length skirt that I'll be wearing to the wedding. It's really nice and flowy, and it's one of my favorites, I think. And it doesn't wrinkle, which is important. The last, I guess, pant item I have is this dress. It's ankle length. It has like a really nice print on it, but not too flashy, so I can layer it with other things. And it has this open back that we will see how that goes, but I'm planning that on putting just a shawl or my coat on top of it. Hopefully that is enough, because again, I heard that the legs are more important to cover than your arms, so got this. And I'm also bringing 2 shirts along. I have this white long sleeved shirt that is so nice. It's like really light quality lightweight material is the term. And yeah, I will be wearing this a lot, I feel. I brought it along to Peru as well, and I wore it pretty much every single day. Yeah, it's a good one. And then second shirt is this black, I guess it's a quarter length sleeve, but it's nice and also really lightweight material, and yeah, I think I'll be wearing this to the wedding. I am not sure, but yeah. Oh, I forgot, I'm also bringing this one. This is another one that I would be needing to wear a jacket or shawl on top of, but it's just a nice little lightweight shirt. It doesn't take up too much space, which is good. And this is my white scarf that I'll be wearing. Definitely be covering my head in the cities and stuff, but yeah. Okay, so I am also bringing 2 jackets along. Actually, I think I actually decided on 3, but these are the ones that I'm going to be bringing along. This nice, really lightweight jean jacket that I will be wearing on top of a lot of things, I think. And then I've got this black striped, I think it's a quarter length sleeve as well. I think that's what you call it, yeah. I am bringing a bathing suit along. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it at all, but I don't know. Let's be prepared, so. Oh, and my jammies. I am going to be bringing, I think, like 6 pairs of underwear and I think 4 pairs of socks and a few sports bras. I don't think it is worth bringing an actual bra around because then like, if it's packed away it will get deformed and it's just a hassle. So I stick with sports bras even now. Like I don't really wear regular bras ever, but just yeah, in case you wanted to know. For hats, this is a nice big wide brimmed hat. I am bringing these bad boys, some nice walking sandals. So I'll be bringing those and my hikers as well as these flats that I mentioned that I'll be wearing definitely on the wedding, but I can go and walk around in these for like 6 hours and it's not a big deal. So, okay, moving on to toiletries. I have got this microfiber towel that packs away really nice and it's like a full-size towel too, which is like really good. I'm also bringing this brush. It's a full-size brush because as you can see my hair is pretty curly and I tried to take just a comb the last couple times and it was just a nightmare. So yeah, I'm just gonna like take the space and bring this brush along because yeah. I also have this bag full of just, I guess you could say it's the first aid bag, but I've just got like vitamin C and other vitamins as well as my little packet of Advil and I think there's like alcohol wipes in here as well and the band-aids. Okay, in here, this is like all of my toiletries. I've got a little bag for just my makeup that I use. I've got just things for hair ties and everything in this front pocket here. I'm also bringing a nail clipper. I thought I could go a month without one last time and yeah, no, you can't. In this bag I have got my toothbrush, just, I don't know, my hair stuff and, I don't know, just random stuff you use on the day to day. In this bag I have all of my all of my face stuff, as well as this laundry detergent in this one here, which is a lifesaver because you can't always find the laundromat and you're going to be saving on money as well if you use this because there is so much heat that you can't always go to the laundromat every single day when you get all of your stuff sweaty, so yeah. I've also got this handy dandy little Diva cup thing. Okay, so if you're going to a warm country, these are a must. They're just facial wipes or even baby wipes would work, but because you're going to be so hot and sweaty, like these are necessary so you're not like feeling all gross all day. Moving on, this is just my stowaway backpack because I have a feeling that we're going to be buying a few more things over the time we're there, so just in case I have this packed away. Okay, this is kind of just getting to the nitpicky stuff. This is a travel mug. Don't be confused, but this is really good if you're wanting to like have coffee or even just like the itchy band if you're wanting to save on money. You can have that in there. And this is a water bottle that keeps your stuff cold all day, which is a must. Okay, last but not least, I have all of these bungee cords as well as a, well, maybe I should have a cap on this or something, but as well as a headlamp that I'll be using just in case we have like early morning hikes or whatever. A lock-in cord is a must. I use it to lock up my backpack when I'm out for the day or even when I'm going on the plane. This is just a really good way to deter people from like trying to like grab stuff from your bag or whatever, so yes. I also just quickly forgot to mention that I am going to bring these books along as well. These are just for the plane ride. I've got like Sudoku and logic puzzles and just a book that I'd like to read. And then I've also got this travel diary, which is a must for me. And then this book actually just has all of my notes and everything for the trip. So it'll have all of like the confirmation numbers and whatever in there just to be safe. But yeah, that's that. Anyways, leave a like if you want to, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!